Welcome to our channel Wins Academy.
Specialization of each Indian states or quiz about Indian states part 2. World's tallest Statue of Unity is located in Kevadia in Gujarat. So option C is the right answer. Which is known as Garden City of India? Bangalore in Karnataka is known as Garden City of India. So option D is the right answer. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai in Maharashtra. So option B is the right answer. Which state is called as God's own country? Kerala is called as God's own country. So option C is the right answer. Kolar goldfields are located in Karnataka. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following state is most recently formed in India? Telangana is the most recently formed state in India. So option A is the right answer. The states which Thar Desert spread over are Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan and Punjab. So option D is the right answer. The major portion of Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following union territories are most recently formed in India? Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh are the recently formed union territories. So option C is the right answer. UNESCO's World Heritage Site Brihadiswara Temple is located in Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. So option C is the right answer. Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. So option D is the right answer. UNESCO's World Heritage Site Mahabalipuram or Mamallapuram is located in Tamil Nadu. So option C is the right answer. Easternmost point of India is located in Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost point of India. So option A is the right answer. Westernmost point of India is located in Gurmota in Gujarat is the westernmost point of India. So option C is the right answer. Northernmost point of India is located in Indira Kol in Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost point of India. So option B is the right answer. Southernmost point of India is located in Indira Point in Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost point of India. So option D is the right answer. Southernmost point of Indian mainland is located in Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin in Tamil Nadu. So option A is the right answer. Eastern Ghats of India traverses through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Western Ghats of India traverses through Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The major portion of Western Ghat traverses through Karnataka. So option A is the right answer. The major portion of Eastern Ghat traverses through Andhra Pradesh. So option D is the right answer. Both Western and Eastern Ghats are traversed through the states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So option B is the right answer. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and also share your friends. and also press bell button to get future notifications. Thank you.